As you can see, we've found one of the pupils who's injured, so as we can see, our first aid has come in to check for danger. Just standing where you are, can you just look left, look right for danger, look above you, look around your friend on the floor, and just make sure it's all safe where you're going to be kneeling, make sure you're not going to get hurt. Are you safe?
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to kneel next to your friend then for me, because you want to come towards the head, because we need to check a response. So what I would like you to do is just nicely say to your friend, hello, can you hear me? Can I help you?
Hello, can you hear me? Can I help you?
There's no answer, but you've noticed your friend's got her eyes closed. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, can you just tell your friend now, open your eyes now?
Open your eyes now.
Has she opened her eyes?
No.
Okay. Because she didn't respond to the command open your eyes, I want you to kneel next to your friend, yeah? What you're actually going to do is just tell your friend you're going to tap her on the shoulders, tap her on both, and just say you're doing it. Off you go.
I'm going to tap you on the shoulders. I'm tapping you on the shoulders now.
And we've got no response, have we? So your friend there is unresponsive, okay? I take it that we're on our own, aren't we? So you're going to have to shout for help. So if I count 3 and you shout help twice, we'll see if we get any help, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Help! Help!
Oh, we're still on our own, so you're going to have to open the airway. So if you'd like to put your hand on your friend's forehead, 2 fingers at her chin, and you want to lift the head up and tilt the head back gently to open the airway, keeping your hands in place. If you can now check your friend's breathing, place your ear right next to her mouth, get a bit closer so your ear's right over. We're looking down the chest and we're listening, looking and feeling. Probably, can you get even closer for me? That's really good. So we're checking that for a full 10 seconds. And I think we can confirm that your friend is breathing, yeah?
Yeah.
Good, okay. And if we can just look around quickly and check that there's no bleeding, and we're checking for severe bleeding in our circulation check. And have you noticed any bleeding?
No.
Okay, thank you. That is your Dr. ABC, your primary survey.